Hello and welcome to a cozy weekend. It was a rainy day in spring, so we first started our day by heading to one of our favourite places to get a coffee and also a bite to eat. Myself and Jessie decided on a sweet treat, whilst Aaron decided to have a breakfast. Everything here is amazing. Next, we went on a walk in the forest. It was so peaceful and beautiful, and we were just surrounded by greenery. We love being out in nature, and we had the spot to ourselves. It was beautiful. We hardly saw anybody out and about, and I think it was because of the weather.
Some leaves. I found some leaves. I found some sticks.
Let's see.
Cool.
Nice. We are so lucky to have this on our doorstep. On our walk, we collected some leaves and sticks, and Jesse decided to make a nature crown. So he started by using some paints to draw on his crown, and then we used some sellotape to stick the leaves to the inside of the crown. And it was lovely to watch him concentrate and take pride in what he was doing. It wouldn't be a cozy day without a cozy evening meal, and there's one thing that me and my family love, and it's mac and cheese. It's so comforting, and this is a recipe that I have adapted from one of Nigella Lawson's. Now, she uses sweet potato in her mac and cheese, and for me, it's a great way to get an extra portion of vegetables in our diet. To make the cheese sauce, I add flour and butter to a pan and stir it until it's all combined. I then gradually add milk to make sure that my sauce is silky smooth. Once it has combined, I then continue to gradually add the milk until it is all combined. I continue to stir the sauce to make sure there are no lumps. I also add some pepper and some Dijon mustard. It wouldn't be mac and cheese without cheese, and lots of it. I add the cheese to the sauce and give it a little bit of a stir before adding everything to a baking dish. I add the macaroni, the sweet potato, and the cheese sauce, and I give it a good mix together before adding extra cheese on top and putting the dish into the oven. When the cheese is golden and bubbly, I then remove it from the oven and dish it up straight away. To end this cosy day, I run myself a bath and relax with a candle, a bath soak, and a book. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.